This tutorial review will show you how to fix this site can't be reached error on laptop. If you're trying to visit a specific website but you are not able to open the website, it's showing this site can't be reached. Don't worry, because now we will fix this error in just a few steps. So first of all, we need to open the control panel. So click on this search box and type here control panel and open the control panel. Click on network and internet. Click on network and sharing center. And here, and now click on the internet currently you are using. Click on properties. And here search for Internet Protocol version 6. So we have to disable this. So uncheck this box. Click on OK. And now go to the browser and try to reopen the website, and hope this will fix the problem. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.